Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We have received a question: how responsible are we as Muslims regarding the environment of the world? Well, we are responsible, being the best of the Ummah, best of the nations. I believe every Muslim should also take part, because if we don't protect the environment, we, the protectors and the non-protectors, face the same consequences. So as a Muslim, as a human being, I believe that we should all do our bit to protect this environment, which if we don't do, will be an act of unkindness to animals, to ourselves even, to our fellow human beings, to our brothers and sisters. Will face consequences of smog and pollution and God knows what has happened to this world, the diseases and the problems we are facing. I think it's about time that the Muslims also as an Ummah come together. So many other important things of course are there as well, but this is also important and should be taken up by some of our brothers and sisters.